This is Purni's house, and on that end is Pathamama's house. This is our house. Staircase has come up today. This will be our car park. Stay cute now. This is where the main door will be there. This is where the main door will be there. Okay. This is our living room, hall room. This is where our puja will be there. This is for the TV stand. This is one bedroom. This is the kitchen. सीधा ಹಿಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಶೋ ಸ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ kitchen, a door for the kitchen, service door. This is Partha Kaka's house. He's left 1 foot for the wall. This is where our utility area will be there. We've left 3 feet. Okay, for the kitchen, again, okay, this is the common bathroom here. So this is easily accessible from the living room, from that bedroom, and the kitchen. On that side we have, on that side we have 2 bedrooms. This is 1 bedroom, and the smallest room in the house. Wardrobe. That's the space for the wardrobe. Okay.
10 आया है क्या? 11 12 होने का 11 रखते ना
Attached bathroom. Master bedroom.